Hello guys. So in this video we will try to understand what is an SQL join and how does it work. So basically when you have to join two or multiple tables. So if you have to join multiple tables, then you will be using SQL's join. So there are a lot of SQL join that you can use. So we have inner join, we have outer join, left join, right join. So we have various joins that we can use. So let us understand each of this and how do we actually use. So here's a pictorial representation for this. So self join is nothing but the table itself. So right join is display all these data from second table where the data matches with the first table. So you can see this is the intersection. So these are the columns that are matched in both the tables, right? So display data, entire data of second table where it is matching with first table. Full join is display all the data, even display the data which is not matching, even display the data which is matching. So this is the example. Now, inner join is nothing but display only the data or only the records which are matching in both the tables. Cross join is with respect to each and every record. So my first record will be joined with first, second, third record of another table. Then second record will be joined with all the records. So here one record will be joined with all the records. And left join is display all the first table data where it is intersecting with second data. So let us try to look at some example of joins. Okay, so here you can see now my orders and customers. So here see every customer. Yes, so what I will do is from orders. Okay, here in orders you can see I have customer ID, right, where a customer purchase an order. So based on this customer ID and here customer ID, I'm going to join and I'm going to display what are the products gotten by the customer, right? So I'm going to say select because that's the statement we use, right? So from orders table get orders ID. So from order table get order ID, comma, from customers table I will get customer name. So I'm going to display this, and from orders I'm going to display order date. So this is the date when the customer order. Okay, order. From which table? From orders table. I'm going to inner join, that is display me the records where the data is matching. So inner join with what? Inner join with my customers table on which value, on which key? So I will say on customer ID from orders, which is equal to my customers dot customer ID. So now if I run this, so see it displays what all? It displays order ID, customer name and order date of all the customers in that record. So these are the customers who have made a purchase. So you can see these are the order dates and these are the data of purchase made by the customer. So how did this actually work? So given two records. So how this actually worked was, so here I had my customer table and here I had my order table. So the customer ID was here and same customer ID was here also. So wherever the customer ID was matching, that entire record it just joined. So wherever the customer ID is matching in both the table, it just joined. So this is how your inner join basically works. So wherever in orders customer ID and customers customer ID was matching, it basically joined. So now let us look at some other join, some different types of join, like example left join. So in inner join, if I do left join, so you can see I get 196 records where it is going to display all the orders of my customers. You can see here it is just going to display the left side, that is the first columns, first table. Now I can do full join. So in full join you can see 1 second. So full join, I have to basically just give join. So it is going to join on all the records. So these are example for your join, how you can join multiple table using inner join or left join, right join, in order to display data. But very important, it should be primary or a foreign key in order to join uniquely that column which you can record.